Hi guys, that's a very quick unboxing and review of the Ryobi surface laser level. This is the 20 feet laser range. It is nice and crisp. Has several features. The model of it is ELL1750. Yep, and some SKU underneath. Ryobi multi-surface laser level. Why is it multi-surface? Because you can just use it on your wall, you can use it on your floor, you can use it pretty much everywhere, on a ceiling, stuff like that. So multiple mounting options. It has a standard horizontal and vertical, 90 degrees opposed, standard bubble levels, handheld or freestanding function. You can just hold it. Push pin, where you can use it just with the regular push pins or the ones with that are provided, to pin it to a wall if you need to take a measure or take a specific angle on the wall. There is also a suction cup, and there is a magnetic shell, if I can say this, a magnetic shell on it. The product comes with a 3-year warranty from Ryobi. Very good, very simple tool. There is a good explanation there, good manual how to use it. Push pin, suction cup, magnet without. Features 90-degree protractor, which is essential when you're doing angles, like angles in this photograph. Of course, you have to exert caution with it because it contains laser. You just have to be mindful not to point it in anyone's ears, not to leave it around kids. And if there is someone against it, you need to have that person wear what do they call them, anti-laser goggles. So let's see what the product is. It comes in this package, so it's a nice clamshell, not clamshell, but it comes with a package, and the package shows what is inside. Yep, it has 2 batteries. The product itself has 2 batteries that are included. That's the backing, and it has the product itself, which is interesting to say the least. What you have to do here is you can use it as a standalone tool, like this, a horizontal. Oh, come on, it should be one bubble right there. A horizontal and like this and this orientation. The protractor is nice and crisp. It really has the alignment. Let me just see if I can make this a little bit more clear. So the alignment on a specific angle is based off, you see there is like a small dimple here and like this, and it falls right in place. You don't see it on this end, but on the other it can be easily seen. 0 to 90 degrees, polycarbonate, sturdy polycarbonate protractor that can be dismounted. You can use this detach this and use the suction cups. You can, if you want, you can remove the suction cups. I'm sure you can do that, and use the magnet here. Yep, that is magnetic. Strong neodymium magnet. That's about 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters in diameter. It also has those push pins that you can take out. Yep, like this. And you can use any normal push pins. It's exactly the same thickness, exactly the same. And you can align those. You can align those like this and push them into a drywall or something like that, and then use that to align whatever you need, whatever angle you need. It is a very good tool, especially here's where you need that. You need that tool when you're doing a very specific task, like here on the picture itself. You have staircase, and you need to follow the angle in order to arrange paintings or photos or something like that, and all of a sudden you realize that the angle is off. So you can really do several scenarios. Like, of course, it is very easy to just drive some kind of cord from one end to another and make sure it's at the same distance from the bottom and from the top of the stairs, but this way you can't follow different scenarios, how they would sit. With the protractor, you can immediately adjust it to any angle, fix it to that angle, and immediately adjust it, play with it any way you want. Have various scenarios. You can use this as a corner. It has a nice notch here for the corner. If you want to run a specific angle from a point in the corner, for inside and outside corners as well, this can work very good. It's a very good product. The laser itself is very bright. Yep. So it goes as a line, and it stays with the nice crisp. Let me try to find something. It stays with the nice crisp lines, so you can immediately follow through with that quite consistently. I believe it is a good tool, very inexpensive one at that. This can be used to do a variety of tasks, not only use it for like linear projections, but you can also do alignments. Like if you have lights on a roof that you have to put on a straight line, this also works, because that line can follow through quite long. I mean, right now I'm at a very well lit area, and that's why maybe it is harder to see. I don't have a specific darker color or something like that. Surface. This is a textile surface, but you see how the line itself is nice and consistent. It is easy to discern, easy to work with. You can use this pretty much any way to arrange things in a straight line. As it comes arranging things in a straight line in your house, I believe this is the tool. It is nice and very inexpensive solution that you really need in your house to level and arrange different stuff. So as it comes to lights or ceiling lights, arranging paintings, pictures on your walls, I mean, this is really both inexpensive and indispensable tool, because it will save a lot of time. At the same time, it is very easy to work with, very easy to operate, very intuitive. It's at that price, I think it's a must-have in every garage. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.